Hi guys.
Hello, guys.
So we are back with another team, and let's talk about GT Gujarat Titans.
Yeah, I think one of the new teams and
With-
a very
and
good
the
performance.
most consistent team.
Yeah, very strong setup, both coaching and management.
Correct.
I think they've had a very strong core of players, and which they've backed them for the last 4 years. So yeah, I think let's discuss 2025 in brief for them. I think they finished.
They
third.
finished third,
Yeah.
right? And
Do you think there were some problems, कुछ issues था जो इस time solve कर
yeah, I think same problem which we discussed in Lucknow, right? They had top three gun batters, right?
Yeah.
And after that, Rutherford was there, but yeah, like issue इस साल मुझे लगता है वो Rutherford का trade off जो किया है, very
I think Rutherford
unbelievable.
is a hole that they don't have. They're not.
They have, but it's a big hole, right?
Yeah.
Because they don't have a cushion now.
Hmm.
But I think last year उनका वही heat कम हो गया था because top three है like I think they have scored around 1800 1900
Yes.
runs.
So your lower order, middle order, lower order को कभी exposure
मौका ही
नहीं
नहीं
मिला.
मिला, exactly.
And when they got exposed,
They got exposed.
Yeah. So okay, so I think they have some solutions to that, right? To bridge the top between and the lower order. We'll discuss that in our playing.
Correct.
So
Let's
शुरू करते हैं.
discuss.
I think
Okay.
top three तो sorted है. Shubman Gill, Sai
Sai
Sudarshan,
Darshan
Josh
and
Butler.
Butler.
I think one problem which I see, for example, Butler was in
Butler is
very
in
very bad form in the World Cup recently, recent World Cup in subcontinent.
Very bad form. I still remember in India versus England wala match, Nasir Hussain was also saying his body is not
Yeah.
moving, like how
Yeah.
the posture is wrong.
But again, this is IPL, so the pressure might
Pressure.
be very different.
Exactly, you're not playing for your
You're
country,
not
right?
playing for the country. Gill, for that matter, got dropped from India's T20 team, so I don't know how that play. It might be I mean, he might be motivated now to prove the selectors wrong.
But I don't think Gill will be too much affected. Yeah. I know he must have felt bad, but he's our next captain, right? At least for
Yeah, but
he's our captain, not next captain, right?
yeah, but is he for a T20? We don't know. But
We don't know.
He would want
See,
to prove that he's not done anything wrong.
But
in
if
T20.
I can take 30 seconds on Gill, right? Like I personally feel Gill, the style of Gill, right, and versus where T20 cricket is going, I think we should not talk about Gill in T20 internationals, right? That's my opinion.
But as a player, you would want to develop that skill set as well, right? कि अगर मतलब
But that's not natural thing. And like I don't know, right? Controversial. Kohli of 16, 17, 18 might not be part of our T20 squad in 26.
But then Kohli of 25 or 24, right, has like in T20 format has changed significantly the way he's developed new shots, all of those.
Yeah, but players like Abhishek, Travis, right? They
हाँ मतलब
and I mean I'm not saying Virat Kohli is Virat Kohli can like if we go back to 2016 with the same format,
Yeah.
Virat Kohli. But yeah, let's move forward, right?
So I think these three, Phillips and Sundar at
4,
4 and 5. I think they need to give Sundar, जो इंडिया भी नहीं करता, a longer
Long
run.
run, yeah.
Bichara Sundar always faces the axe when there is some like either the team needs a proper batsman or a proper bowler. But जब तक उसको
मौका ही नहीं मिलता है उसको तो I think I'm also good with Washi and Phillips. If you are 3 wickets down within 10 overs, go with Washi.
Yeah.
If 13, 14 overs are there, you have 130, 140 on board, go with Phillips.
Yeah.
And Phillips and Washi both can give you more than 4 overs.
Yeah, I think 4 overs at least
At
for
least,
every
yes.
match, right? I think मेरे लिए 6 पे शाहरुख खान
Okay.
and Tewatia at 7. You have a different opinion?
Yeah, so I will also go with both of them, but I will go with Jason Holder at 6th.
Okay,
7th Tewatia, 8th Shahrukh.
got it.
So basically, I have used my all the
Yeah,
quota.
and you're extending the batting order bit. So Rashid will come at 9 for you.
Rashid will come at 9 for
For
me.
8 for me. I think I have Kagiso Rabada there.
Okay.
Because I think they still need they have Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, but I think they need a bowler at the death, and Rabada can be that bowler. So for me, Rabada at 9, Sai Kishore at 10.
Yeah, for me also Sai Kishore is that. Like he was my 12th, right?
Yeah.
Siraj, Prasidh and Sai Kishore.
And Siraj and Prasidh follows. So yeah, I think overall it looks a very strong team, well balanced team. I think they also have good backups this year. if Josh Butler's form continues, they have a Tom Banton.
They are Tom
who
Banton,
can come
yes.
and replace,
Yeah.
right? And Anuj Rawat can replace maybe
Shah Rukh or Tewatia.
Tewatia. I think Luke Wood is a very good addition. So if you see all their bowlers, no, unka sab bowlers are right arm fast, hit the deck kind of bowler. So Luke Wood gives you the
Correct.
left arm
Exactly.
option. So that's a very good option. They have Ishant Sharma whom they can use. They have used very sparingly and very widely.
I think that's typical Ashish Nehra.
Yeah.
Right.
So he'll bring him when Ishant Sharma is fresh. He'll just use him in the power play 2 overs or 3 overs. So
Yeah.
I think they have.
I think they have good squad. The only if I have to like again one thing which GT should take care, don't be over reliant on top three, right?
Yeah.
I know that's also a blessing that you are not getting the opportunity, but in crunch game like what happened last year, right? They should. But because of where do you think they'll finish?
I think they'll finish in the top 4. For me, I'm putting them in 4. Last year they finished 3rd. They kind of lost the steam जब तक वो लोग उसमें आ गए थे playoffs में आ गए थे. But yeah, I think top 4th for me.
Sure. Okay. I have already messed up my. I have utilized my top 4 and I didn't realize I have to rank GT. I have kept 1. I'll talk about my 1 later. But what do you guys think, right? And do let us know in your comments.
And do hit the like button, share, subscribe.
Thank you.
Have a good day.